Just think about the possibilities. Adding LED lighting, motors, or sound effects to a Gundam model, or creating the brain for your next robot project. Gear up, guys. This holiday season, PCBway's got you covered with an epic Christmas sale. Up to 50% off on PCBs, 3D printing, and CNC machining services. Now's the time to save big. Don't let these deals slip by. Hit the link in my video description. This past year has been an incredible journey, and it's been a pure joy to push the boundaries of my creativity with the help of 3D printing. What started as a personal outlet has turned into something so much more meaningful because of all of you. Sharing my passion, connecting with this amazing community, and seeing the excitement my work brings has been nothing short of inspiring. As the year comes to a close, I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you for following my journey, supporting my creativity, and being part of this adventure. Your encouragement means the world to me and has motivated me to dream bigger. Here's to an even more exciting year ahead. Let's make it one to remember.
Reply. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash reply. Don't forget to subscribe.